Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mastery Program. In our previous lesson, we explored inequalities and learned how mathematics can describe ranges of values. Today, we will explore a concept that represents something very simple, that is distance. Imagine standing at 0 on a number line. How far away is a number 4? It's 4 units. But what about negative 4? It also 4 units away. In mathematics, this idea of distance is described by absolute value. Today, we will learn how absolute value works and how to solve absolute value equations. Absolute value measures the distance of a number from 0. It is written with vertical bar, the absolute value of x. With example here, absolute value of 5 is equal to 5. Absolute value of minus 5 is equal to 5. Even though one number is positive and the other is negative, the distance from 0 is the same. So absolute value is always non-negative. Consider this equation. Absolute value of x is equal to 6. This question is asking what numbers are 6 units away from 0. On the number line, we find 2 points, x equal to 6 and x equal to minus 6. Absolute value equations often have two solutions because distance can exist in two directions. See another example. Absolute value of x is equal to 9. There are two possibilities, x equal to 9 or x equal to minus 9. We always consider both positive and negative cases. Now introduce a slightly harder example. The absolute value of x minus 3 is equal to 5. This equation asks what numbers are 5 units away from 3. So case 1, x minus 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 8. Case 2, x minus 3 is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 2. So final solutions are x equal to 8 and x equal to minus 2. These two values are exactly 5 units away from 3. Consider this equation. Absolute value of x is equal to minus 4. Can distance ever be negative? No. So the equation has no solution. Absolute value can never be equal to a negative number. The graph of an absolute value function looks like a V shape. Take the example, y is equal to absolute value of x. The graph is symmetric. As we move away from 0 in either direction, the value increases. This symmetry makes absolute value function important in many mathematical models. Today, we have learned the meaning of an absolute value. We have discovered absolute value represents a distance, and distance is always non-negative. Absolute value equation usually produce two solutions. Some equations may have no solutions, and absolute value graphs forms a V shape. This idea helped us to understand functions and equations more deeply. Solve these equations by your own. When you understand absolute value, you understand how mathematics measure distance and symmetry. And this idea appears again and again in algebra, graphs, and calculus. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.